The 2014 Acura MDX key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a widely available, non-rechargeable battery that provides power for up to 2 years under normal use. Purchase a new CR2032 battery from a reputable brand like Energizer or Panasonic, ensuring it has a long shelf life. You can find these batteries at most auto parts stores like AutoZone and O'Reilly, or online retailers like Amazon, for approximately $2 to $5 per battery. Using the correct battery type is crucial for the fob to function properly. Avoid using alternative battery types as they may not fit correctly or provide the necessary voltage. To replace the battery, first locate the release button on the back of the key fob. Press this button or use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation. The positive plus side typically faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing the same direction. Ensure the battery is seated securely. Snap the fob back together until you hear a click. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. If the vehicle doesn't respond, consult your owner's manual for potential reprogramming steps, or consider visiting a dealership for an ECU reset if issues persist. Properly dispose of the old lithium battery at a recycling center to prevent environmental pollution.